Hi guys, it's Miss Christ. If you are viewing this, it is either Monday and you are a B student, or it is Wednesday and you are an A student. No matter which class you're in, this assignment is going to be shared. What you are working on today is this remote learning week 2. What I'm going to try to do is label each week remote learning and the week if we're still on a hybrid schedule, and then whichever 2 days you're home, A or B day, those are the 2 assignments for you that week. This week I'll post the assignment twice, and then starting next week I will, maybe if I can plan ahead enough, have both days within the same folder, or at least I'll edit that later in the week to reflect both of the 2 days that you're working from home. And then Friday's assignments will always be a separate assignment in the Google Classroom. I can clarify that more in person as well. I know that I tend to ramble when I'm recording. So today's assignment goes back to our conversation on Friday about a hero, and then we move forward and talked about Joseph Campbell and the hero's journey, or the monomyth. We're going to look at this short film today. This is the link to the film. It's, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes. This is a recap of what you watched in that video on Friday about the hero's journey and the stages he or she has to go through. This is a doc that you'll answer the question. So what you'll do is you'll open this. You will tell me where in the short film you see the character's call to adventure, where you see their supernatural aid, and that doesn't actually have to be supernatural. That's just somebody outside of their normal life that comes in. You are also going to tell me where they cross the threshold. And again, that's where they kind of leave where they know and move into a place that they don't know. It's like if you're going on a road trip and you're getting out of South Carolina, right? It's that moment where things become a little less certain because you're not familiar with it. A helper is somebody who guides them in some pieces. This might be randomly an animal or another person, a romantic interest. It's just the helper, the person that comes in. Challenges and temptations are the things on your journey that make you question your ability to do this. Maybe you're tempted to leave your path. Maybe you're tempted to quit your path. Maybe you die, or you almost die, rather. Abyss is kind of, now you're in it. It doesn't really matter. You're in it. You're in the thick of it. Transformation is when you kind of come out of this and you've learned something, or you've changed in some way. A lot of that transformation lends itself to an atonement. That's kind of just where we accept where we are, or what we have. We've come to terms with things from our past, and we're just kind of accepting of and ready to move forward with this. And return is when you enter the world again, either the world you knew before, or you just enter the world in general as this person who has transformed because you have gone through the hero's journey. So you can go back and watch that video from Friday, or you can use this, and then the worksheet here kind of restates what I am telling you in this video, and then you will complete the worksheet and turn it in. Just if you have to, you may have to do file, make a copy of this worksheet. I'm not certain if I hope it makes a copy for each of you, but you'll just go to file and then make a copy if it doesn't. Again, I'm always here for you. I'm here to support you. I'm here to help you. If there's something you need, or something I can do differently to help make this a more meaningful experience, please do not hesitate to reach out. I look forward to seeing each of you in class this week. Thank you.